Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show another lockdown project we have made. I have seen quite a few videos on the internet regarding trying to upgrade a back garden, especially a garden concrete slabs where they quite worn out. So we've decided to buy a stencil, a reusable stencil, and I have bought the Masterly paint in a quite dark grey colour. But before we will be able to do any upgrades, we'll need to clean the garden, and I am not showing in this video, but first of all, quite some time before, I have power washed the whole concrete slabs, and it's maybe not showing on the pictures on the video, but it did make a difference. Also later, getting rid of all the furniture, moving it away, and trying to get all the weeds which could be growing in between the slabs, and also afterwards just trying to make it clean and moving away all the loose dirt. And once you moved everything away and you've got a clear space to start your project, you can decide how many slabs you would like to paint over with a stencil, and I have painted quite a few. I think it's about 35 slabs in total, and each concrete slab, it did take me about 3 to 5 minutes to paint. As you can see on the video at the minute, I just started with the very first one. And in here now I'm showing quite a bit of a residue paint which goes under the stencil itself, so you wouldn't be able basically to just reuse the stencil straight away once you've painted one concrete slab. You would need it to get rid of that excess of paint, and that's how I did it. I've just put like an old towel or some old clothing, and I've just got rid of the excess paint each time I've painted over one concrete slab. It was from a local DIY shop from B&Q, and I've paid for it about £20. That's 5-litre tub, which is well and truly enough for this project. As you can see on the video right now, I just fast forwarded for everyone not to be bored, and I'm just getting on with the painting slabs. Almost finished, as you can see, guys, and I'm really shocked with the results. It does transform your garden really quickly, and it changes the whole image and makes a lovely warmth feeling and quite a nice posh design as well. And also don't forget, we've paid £25 for the stencil which was bought off eBay, and the paint I've spent £20, and all other relevant painting equipment, rollers, trays, brushes and everything else, so that's really cheap, and there was not much money spent at all, but the results are really great. thank you so much for watching. Please comment down below, see what you think about the results. Also subscribe to our channel to watch more videos. Stay safe. Bye now.